In this video, you'll learn how to properly use a fire extinguisher by following the pass method. P. Pull. Pull the pin to break the seal and allow the extinguisher to discharge. A. Aim. Aim the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire, not the flames. S. Squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Releasing the handle will stop the discharge. S. Sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side at the base of the fire until the flames are completely out. Once the fire appears extinguished, continue to watch the area closely to ensure it does not reignite. If the fire starts back up, repeat the pass method. Fires can be dangerous and even fatal. Never attempt to put out a fire unless you are confident it can be done safely. At State Fire, we're your all-in-one solution for fire protection and safety, helping businesses stay OSHA compliant and up to NFPA standards. Find out how we can help at statefire.com.